So boys and girls, here's another math question for you. Okay. So you can see it says, what is the units digit of 17 raised to the power 145? And then they've given you 4 options. Very confusing. First of all, the moment we see this numerical figure, this number 17, things simply go for a toss. Okay. For a moment, everything goes blank. Because 17 has got that reputation which can make you go confused. Anyway, so at first glance, definitely 17 raised to the power 145 looks pretty impossible to calculate, no doubt on that. But here's the trick. To find the units digit, only the units digit of the base matters. The 10th digit has got no effect on the units digit of the final answer. Do you understand that? Let me explain. So instead of solving 17 raised to the power 145, we are going to solve 7 raised to the power 145. At least I've made this question more than 70% easier for you, right? Instead of calculating 17 raised to the power 145, now what you have to calculate? 7 raised to the power 145. Okay, but once again, try to follow the pattern. That is very important in any competitive exam, including SAT. Okay, so what do we have here? We know 7 raised to the power 1 is 7. So we are just focusing on the unit digit. Okay, units digit, that's it. So 7 raised to the power 1 is 7 and 7 raised to the power 2 gives you 9 in the units digit. 7 raised to the power 3 gives you 343. So in the units digit you have 3. And then 7 raised to the power 4 gives you 2401. So here what do we have? 1 in the units digit. Now watch what happens next. 7 raised to the power 5 is basically nothing but 7 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 7. Okay, so the units digit becomes 7 once again. So now the cycle repeats itself. Are you getting it? The cycle is repeating itself. So the pattern repeats every 4 powers, right? So after every 4 powers, the pattern is going to repeat itself. So I know 7 raised to the power 1 will give me 7. If the power is 2, then 9. Power is 3, then 3. Power is 4, then 1. And then again 7 raised to the power will give you 7 in the units digit. Alright. And 7 raised to the power 6 will give you 9. Alright. So it's going to repeat the cycle. So now what is the next step? Find where 145 falls in this cycle. That is what we have to determine now. Since the pattern repeats every 4 powers, what are we going to do? We are going to divide the number by 4. So 145 divided by 4 gives us 36, but there is a remainder which is 1. So what do we have? The unit digit of 7 raised to the power 1 is 7. Therefore, the unit digit of 17 raised to the power 145 will give you 7. So what will you do? You will mark 7 as your answer here, which is C, Charlie. Got it, students? Making sense? Okay. Hope this helps. Take care.